what does a successful PPC product launch look like? Product launch is one of those things that when it comes down to product launch, people are always assuming it's always PPC related. Let's step back and get some clarity. A successful PPC product launch looks like this. First off, you have inventory for 2 to 3 months to cover, because then you're setting up yourself for success. No matter how well your ads perform, your bottleneck is inventory. So check mark, you have inventory. And then the listing, I'm assuming in this case that it's stellar. 99% of the brands that we're talking to, it's not the case. Make sure that your listing is going to hit your ICP, because if it's not hitting the ICP on the ad side, we're just bringing traffic to your listing that is not for the ICP. We're just going to get you clicks that are not converting. When it comes down to a successful PPC launch, I would say depending a lot on your budget, how much budget you can realistically allocate to it, is going to define your success or not. Allow me to clarify. When you have a $5,000 budget per month, even if $5,000 might seem a lot, I know for sure that $3,000 for me 5 years ago when I started my brand and started advertising. So if you have a $5,000 budget allocated to advertising, and if you're in the supplements niche, I would say don't advertise. One click can go from $5, $10, $20, $50 per click, which means that even if you have 5 keywords you're targeting, ad spend is just going to pile up, and you're going to get a lot of information that might not even be helpful, because it's going to get you either false positives, either false negatives on what works and what does not. So it's really dependent on the category. But these are the 3 main pillars that a successful PPC product launch would depend on.